Home workouts are not just a trend, they're a lifestyle. Transforming your body and mind from the comfort of your living room has never been easier. Welcome to a world where fitness is not confined to the four walls of a gym, but rather expands into the limitless boundaries of your personal space. It's about time we break the myth that effective workouts require expensive equipment or a gym membership. Today, we're going to introduce you to the top 5 home workout routines designed to help you kickstart your fitness journey. These include bodyweight circuit training, a full-body workout that needs no equipment; high-intensity interval training, HIIT, a cardio session that will get your heart racing; yoga for mental and physical balance; resistance band workouts for strength and flexibility; and finally, walking or jogging, the simplest and most accessible form of exercise. So get ready to sweat, feel the burn, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Embrace the change and join us on this fitness journey. Starting with bodyweight circuit training, a fantastic way to boost strength and stamina. An ideal form of exercise that truly harnesses the power of your own body. It's all about you, your body, and your will to push forward. Firstly, let's begin with the classic push-up, a staple in any bodyweight circuit. This exercise targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about maintaining a smooth, controlled motion. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push yourself back up. It's okay if you can't do a full push-up yet. Start with your knees on the ground and work your way up. Next, we have squats, a brilliant workout for your lower body. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and bend your knees as though you're about to sit on a chair. Keep your chest upright and your gaze forward. Feel the burn in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes as you rise back up to the starting position. Following squats, we have lunges. Step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should almost touch the ground. Push back up and switch legs. It's a fantastic workout for your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Lastly, we have planks, a full body workout that especially targets your core. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Hold for as long as you can, keeping your body in a straight line. It might be tough at first, but with consistency, you'll build endurance and strength. Throughout these exercises, it's crucial to maintain proper form and keep a steady rhythm. Try going through these 4 exercises in sequence, without rest, for a full bodyweight circuit. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with just your body and a little bit of space. And that's the power of bodyweight circuit training. No equipment needed, just you and your determination. Now, let's move to high-intensity interval training, where it's all about intense bursts of exercise. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a cardiovascular exercise strategy that alternates short periods of intense anaerobic exercise with less intense recovery periods. This method is known for its effectiveness in burning fat and improving overall fitness levels, all while being time efficient. So, without further ado, let's dive into a typical HIIT workout. We'll start with jumping jacks, a classic full-body exercise. Think of it as a high-energy star jump, your arms and legs extending outwards while jumping, then returning to your sides as you land. Do as many as you can for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Next, we have burpees, another powerful full-body exercise. It's a compound exercise, which means it involves multiple joint movements and muscle groups. Start standing, then squat down, kick your feet out into a plank position. Do a push-up, return to the squat, and finally jump up, extending your arms overhead. Repeat this sequence for 30 seconds, and then rest for 10 seconds. Following the burpees, we move on to high knees. This exercise is like running on the spot, but with an added twist, lifting your knees as high as possible. High knees are great for improving speed, flexibility, and power. Again, do this for 30 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest. Finally, we have quick sprints. Just as it sounds, you'll be running as fast as you can on the spot. This exercise will get your heart rate up and work your entire body. Sprint for 30 seconds and then take a 10-second rest. This cycle of jumping jacks, burpees, high knees, and quick sprints is a typical HIIT workout. The key here is the short recovery periods. These brief moments of rest allow you to maintain a high level of intensity throughout the workout, pushing your body to its limits and reaping the maximum benefits. Height, a fast-paced routine that torches calories and builds endurance. Transitioning into yoga, the perfect balance of strength and serenity. Yoga is a gift that keeps on giving, a workout that not only strengthens the body but also calms the mind. Let's see some yoga poses that are excellent for beginners. First up, the downward dog. This pose is a full body stretch that targets everything from your hamstrings to your shoulders. It's a great way to wake up your body and get the blood flowing. Remember to keep your breathing steady and deep, allowing the breath to guide your movements. Next, we have the warrior pose. There are a few variations of this pose, but we'll focus on warrior 1. This pose is all about building lower body strength and balance. It's also a great way to open up the chest and lungs, promoting better breathing. Moving on, we come to the tree pose. This is a balancing pose that targets the legs, core, and spine. It's also a great way to improve focus and concentration. If you find it hard to balance, don't worry. Over time, you'll find it easier to steady yourself. Last but not least, we have the child's pose. This pose is a resting pose, often used in between more challenging poses. It's a chance to relax, breathe, and regroup. But don't be fooled, it's also a great stretch for the back and hips. Throughout your yoga journey, remember the importance of deep breathing. Each breath should be in sync with your movements, creating a rhythm that guides you through each pose. It's not about how many poses you do, but how well you do them. Take your time, hold each pose, and breathe deeply. Yoga is a journey of self-discovery, a path that leads you to a stronger body and a calmer mind. Even if you're a beginner, don't be discouraged. Every pose, every breath, every moment on the mat is a step towards progress. So, keep practicing, keep breathing, and keep growing. Yoga, strengthening your body and calming your mind, one pose at a time. Next is resistance band workouts. This adds a little extra challenge to your routine. Resistance bands are a versatile tool that can add a new dimension to your workout routines. They're portable, affordable, and can help improve your strength and flexibility. Let's dive into some exercises you can do with them. Our first exercise is bicep curls. Stand on the band and hold the ends with your hands. Curl your hands towards your shoulders, resisting the band's tension. Keep your elbows close to your body and squeeze your biceps at the top. Next, we have tricep extensions. Hold one end of the band with your hand and extend the other end behind you, keeping your elbow close to your head. Extend your arm until it's straight, resisting the band's pull. Now let's move to squats. Stand on the band with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold the ends at your shoulders. Squat as you usually would, keeping your back straight and chest up. As you stand up, the band's tension will add an extra challenge to your quads and glutes. Finally, lateral band walks. Step on the band and cross it in front of you, holding the ends at your hips. Take a step to the side, resisting the band's pull, then step the other foot to meet it. This works your hip abductors and glutes. Resistance band workouts, a simple tool that packs a big punch. Finally, walking or jogging, the timeless classics of home workouts. These are two of the most accessible exercises around, requiring no special equipment or gym memberships. They are the epitome of simplicity, yet their benefits are far-reaching. Walking or jogging regularly can help improve cardiovascular health, boosting your heart's efficiency and increasing blood circulation throughout your body. This not only keeps your heart in good shape, but it also ensures all your other organs receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. But that's not all. Walking or jogging are also excellent mood boosters. They trigger the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress and anxiety, lift your mood, and even improve sleep. Now let's talk form and pace. Whether you're walking or jogging, remember to keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Your arms should swing naturally at your sides. As for your pace, it should be comfortable enough for you to maintain over your chosen distance. You should be able to carry on a conversation without gasping for breath. If you're just starting out, you may want to begin with brisk walking, gradually increasing your pace as your fitness level improves. Walking or jogging, the simplest way to get your heart pumping and those legs moving. So, tie those laces, step outside, and let's get moving. And there you have it, 5 fantastic home workout routines to kickstart your fitness journey. We've explored bodyweight circuit training, high-intensity interval training, yoga, resistance band workouts, and walking or jogging. Each of these routines has unique benefits and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Consistency is key, so find what works for you and stick with it. And always listen to your body. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and transform your life. If you found this video useful, kindly like, subscribe, and share with your friends and loved ones. Your health remains our priority. See you in the next video.